Go. I'm letting you make decisions. And it says inbound traffic does not stop. You did the right thing. And this is real life out here. You see the rules of the right of way. Go get it. That was the best thing for you. And now you're going to get some more medicine. I mean, you're going to get some more lessons. You keep driving. Double yellow means you can't. Right, what you said. Right, until there's a break. You got a broken white. Yep, go straight. Yep. Because they need to go back to driver's ed school. You're finishing up, about to get your job before the new year, right? So you're ready to go to Chicagoland. Follow road.
Back to the furniture store.
You already know. You already know.
They pay pretty well.
They do.
Just moving furniture though, so that's my type of job.
Hey, do it. Make your money. I don't care where you work. Just make your money. Keep driving. Your speed is perfect. Lane positioning is nice. Welcome to our area. Yeah. Okay. And they're not putting money into the roads. Are you kidding? They're only going to fix the main roads because this is not a priority. So the expressways, the main thoroughfares. So I know you see your friend up there. Yep, you want to go all the way up and just pause a second. Beautiful. Yep, pause for 3. Let's look around. You can't go in. I know you want to. Drive.
Yeah, this is the round one, the bowling place and the arcade thing that me and my friends are addicted to.
Oh, you know about that,
Claw
yes.
machines, all of it.
Okay, we're not mad. And then, you're young, enjoy your life. You ladies are not married, you don't have kids, you don't have a responsibility yet. You should be going out clubbing, having fun, meeting people. If your man's not right, find another man that's going to treat you right.
Yeah.
Date.
My men treat you pretty right, though.
Right. They better treat you right. Come on now.
Exactly.
Okay? You deserve the best. Because typically, if we follow what's going to happen, you ladies will get married in your late 20s, early 30s because you're going to be career women. Squeeze. Go about 10 years from now. Pause. Beautiful. Check. Go get it. Yep. Because all of you have plans, and we're trying to see, because I have a daughter too, all girl cousins, so, don't do anything until you're ready, because that's major responsibility. And I'm not taking care of your child. Okay, I got to work too. Can you watch Junior?
No.
Oh, God. No, I got to work too. Okay, you're doing great. Keep it up. Beautiful. So you're on the backside. So go up and get confused. I mean, learn about the rules here.